I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, Solana actually pumped like a sudden 20%, and in fact, slight more than that, right after the news unveiled within its conference. And what was the news? The mega news out of all the three news was that Solana happens to have this Google partnership, and in fact, the Google Cloud tweeted it. Uh, Talking about like what is the exact partnership, and obviously like what is the reason that it pumped, and whether to buy it or not, and what is the future prospect of it, we are going to discuss about this. But there was further more news onto that front. Like three news were unveiled. What was the first one? That the Solana smartphones will be available for the pre-order in early 2023. Basically, uh, I think 2 months left for 2023 to start. So early 2023, Solana smartphones will be available for the order. Probably, what is the unique USP of the Solana smartphones? People will be able to store their private keys onto the phone itself. That is one of the main highlighting factor of that particular phone. That is what they are aiming for. But anyways, that was the first news that was revealed. And then the second one was the Solana decentralized app store, a promise of crypto friendly policies. Just the way we have this normal app store, Solana is going to be launching its decentralized app store in the future. And in fact, all the transactions and everything, like a lot of things that normally people happen to pay for, will be free, at least initially, and even for a significant duration of time, to enable this adoption of the Web3. The D App Store being one of the major, like just the way you have the App Store, you need to have the decentralized App Store when you're trying to bring the Web3 onto the mass adoption. Then the mother of all news, that Google Cloud is soon to become a Solana node validator. Now let me just take you to the tweet. So this is the, like, basically the Google Cloud tagged the co-founder of Solana Labs, this guy, and then he said, should we tell our followers the big news? And then he revealed, the Google Cloud revealed both the news. Now that we got your attention, check this out. Google Cloud is running a block producing Solana validator to participate in and validate the network. But that was not the only announcement. The second part of it was Google Cloud is working with Solana to bring blockchain node engine to the Solana chain next year. It will be easy for anyone to launch the dedicated Solana node in the cloud. And then there was a little bit of more news, which was like the Google Cloud is indexing the Solana data and bringing it to BigQuery next year to make it easier for Solana developer ecosystem to access the historical data. So this was the mother of all news, and that's what just triggered the pump, a sudden pump. Like obviously, because the Solana is like a $20+ billion asset, and to pump that, you at least need like hundreds of millions of dollars to pump in, to bring like 10 to 20% gains out of the blue, and literally like the money flowed in. Now let us just jump onto the prices. By the way, guys, the reason, like, even if you do not understand the technical aspect of it, the reason Solana pumped, and it is a big news, the Google is having its authority amongst the companies in the world, not just the internet companies, not just the web companies, right? The companies amongst the companies throughout the world, one of the biggest company. Now if Google is some way or the other showing trust into an asset, into a crypto company and Solana, and partnershiping with it and tweeting about it, talking about it, right? That means that's transferring of your trust onto something like the crypto coin, and basically the people are actually investing into the trust rather than thinking about the what exactly is going to be bringing, like how it is going to help in the future. So basically it is about a big institution partnering with a crypto company, and that's what causes people's money to flow in. Now, what is the current price of Solana? If you try to see, it is $35.96. What is the fully diluted market cap? $18 billion. Market cap, normal market cap is $12 billion. So this was the sudden pump, as you can see, from 34.5 to it went approximately 38 point. That is like 10 to 20%, like yeah, approximately 15%, 10 to 15 to 20% jump happened, and right now it has stabilized onto here. The point is, like, this is a kind of an asset. Like, if I try to draw the all-time chart, what was the exact height that it reached? $250. What I believe is that an asset like Solana, and obviously Google showing trust in it, and one of the major layer ones, which is some of the people are calling following on the path of Ethereum, at least it is going to go all-time high. Like, at least from here we are talking 7xing your money. And let me tell you, an asset like $12 billion, the advantage with Solana, like, some of the people will be like, okay, but the other asset I heard, like, it is 20x down, so I have much more higher side. The point is, with a $12 billion market cap asset, you can even put $10 million immediately, and then you can get out, let's say when the price 7x, you can get out with $70 million. You can sell it because a huge amount of liquidity is there. But with a normal asset, let's say some asset is sitting at $20 million market cap, $30 million market cap, you cannot put $1 million and then expect when the price 50x's, you expect to draw out $50 million, because the moment you'll be trying to draw out that particular cash, you will be tanking the price yourself because liquidity is not there. So this is the major advantage of these coins. That is why the investors are interested into it. In fact, some of the investors have put 50s, 10s, and even hundreds of millions of dollars into it, and literally they will be able to cash out once the price reaches, let's say it goes 10x from here by the next bull run, $360 dollars. Then probably we are talking somebody who has invested $50 million can actually cash out $500 million asset, $500 million of value. Why? Because the market cap will become $130 billion, right? Out of $130 billion, you can actually cash out $500 million. So that is the reason, like, this is a high liquidity asset, and a big amount can be put in and big amount can be taken out. But at the same time, even the trust factor, like a lot of smaller coins, let's say the big mega wave of like flushing comes, some major event happens, the war breaks out across the world, and the financial asset tanks, and a lot of coins will not survive, will not even come back. But something like Solana, something like Ethereum, all these coins are like the backbone of the crypto assets. So if these will not survive, nothing will survive. So these are the first of the category which has a great chance of surviving. So you're also betting safely that yes, you might be having a upside, might be lesser than a lot of other assets, but you are investing into a safe thing which is enabling this particular mass adoption. So all that thing said and done, like, if you are still investing right now into Solana, dollar cost averaging, it is not a bad investment. It is one of the great investment. Why? Because the adoption is there, usage is there, big partnerships are there. It is going to be one of the future crypto companies. So definitely a great investment option. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. Also, if you want to buy Solana or any other coin, you can win one full Bitcoin. You heard it right. You can win one full Bitcoin. All you have to do, completely free. You just have to use the link down below in the video description. That's our link to sign up for Binance. The moment that you sign up for Binance and then you purchase any of the crypto of your choice, you are qualified for the lucky draw. And it is not just one time. Every time we complete 1,000 referral, we'll make a lucky draw and give one Bitcoin away. And every time you'll be qualified just because you signed up once. I'll even leave the quick video of how do you win the one full Bitcoin in the end. And I hope that you found the information helpful, and now it is clear what is happening and what is all this talks about the Solana. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, Every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.